What's up, everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're talking about something super important, your future. Let's face it, saving money is cool, but investing can be the real game changer. Maybe you're saving for college, a car, or that dream vacation. Investing can help you reach your goals way faster. Now, you might be thinking, isn't investing for adults? Nope. Even as a teenager, you have a head start by starting early. The power of compound interest, basically your money making money, is on your side. So grab a notebook or open that note-taking app because we're about to dive into a step-by-step guide on how to start investing as a teenager in 2024. Imagine this. You graduate college with a head start on your financial goals because you started investing as a teenager. Pretty awesome, right? Look, I know investing can sound complicated, but trust me, with the right guidance and a little effort, you can become a young investing whiz. So let's break it down into simple steps you can follow. Step-by-step guide. Teen investing in 2024. All right, fasten your seatbelts, future investors. Here's our step-by-step guide. Step 1. Knowledge is power. Before you jump in, it's crucial to gain some basic knowledge about investing. There are tons of resources available online and in libraries. Talk to your parents, a trusted adult, or a financial advisor familiar with custodial accounts, which we'll get to in a minute. Learn about different investment options like stocks, bonds, and ETFs. Step 2. Set SMART goals. What are you saving for? A new phone? College tuition? Having clear goals will help you decide how much to invest and choose the right investments. Remember, SMART goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Step 3. Consider a custodial account. Since you're, most likely, under 18, you can't open a regular brokerage account. But fear not. Custodial accounts allow you to invest under your parent or guardian's supervision until you reach adulthood. Step 4. Choose your investment platform. There are many online brokers offering commission-free trading, which is perfect for starting small. Research different platforms and find one that's user-friendly and caters to young investors. Step 5. Start small and invest consistently. You don't need a ton of money to begin. Even a little goes a long way, especially with time on your side. Try to set up a regular investment plan, like putting aside a portion of your allowance or birthday money. Consistency is key. Step 6. Stay informed and patient. The world of investing can be volatile, with ups and downs. Don't panic if the market dips. Remember, you're in this for the long haul. Keep learning, stay informed, and be patient. Bonus step. Make it fun. There are even investment apps and games designed for teenagers. These can be a fun and educational way to learn about the stock market and practice making investment decisions in a safe environment. The future of investing. Technology is constantly changing the way we invest. Here are a couple of trends to keep an eye on. Robo-advisors. These automated investment platforms use algorithms to create personalized investment portfolios. Sustainable investing. Many young investors are interested in companies that prioritize environmental, social, and governance (ESG) factors. Remember, the key is to stay curious and keep learning about new investment opportunities. All right, everyone, that's it for today's investing crash course. Remember, starting early is the best investment you can make in your future. So, do your research, set goals, and take that first step towards financial freedom. Leave a comment below with your questions about investing. Let's build a community of young investors. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.